everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for being here today. I am going to be decorating my kitchen for summer. I don't have a lot of summer decorations, but I'm just going to try and make my kitchen feel very light and airy, if that's even a thing. I don't know, but it's gonna be my version of summer decorating. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I am starting off in this little section here. I am going to start by adding a mirror. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, you probably recognize this mirror. This was one of the first pieces of decor that I added when I first converted my cabinets into like an open shelf situation here. So I'm really excited to bring it back, but I am going to give it a quick wipe down because it's been in my closet for a while and it had a lot of dust.
Finally home. I've been gone for too long.
Alright, so these bowls here are from World Market. I got them a really long time ago. I'm not sure if they're still available, but I have seen them on Williams-Sonoma's website along with Wayfair. So I'll link those two down below for you guys in case you're interested.
Standing here a while just to take it all in. Radio's playing our song, and then you stood there smiling at me as so many times before. I'll never wanna be away, leave you again. You are all I want and more. It's true.
Moving on to the other side of my shelves here, I am starting off with the very top one because I always struggle with this one. I just could never get a good angle, so I'm just showing you guys what I put up here. I put this really beautiful vase, which I will link down below. I also added these plates here that we don't normally use. I have some plastic ones that I use on a daily basis, so I just figured I just leave those for now because I still do like them.
Gonna let the sun shine in today.
The basket is from Target. I got it a while back, and these stems are all from A Floral. I'm just going to go ahead and add them in the basket there, and then I'm going to add some things that I purchased from Hobby Lobby along with some books.
Make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. The darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders.
So for this shelf here, I'm going to be adding some bowls along with a couple of other little things. I'm also adding some lemons, which is pretty much as summery as it's going to get here in my kitchen. I mentioned before that I really don't have a lot of summer decor to work with. I do, however, want to start decorating for like the 4th of July, like add some patriotic decorations, but I don't have any. I have to go out and buy some. So hopefully maybe in the next video, I'll add some patriotic decor.
Sometimes when I'm thinking about us, before we got lost and we parted, back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry, everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound, not safe and sound. What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me?
So you guys already know that I like to move things around. This molcajete, I end up moving it somewhere else, but then I don't like it and I move it right back. So you'll see later on in the video that I move it to my countertops, but at the end you'll see it right back here on my open shelves. And most of these things that I'm adding, like that little canister and those little bowls, they're from Target. I got them a while back. These boards here are from Amazon, and these little plates here came in a set, like a teacup set. I ended up adding the teacups to some jars, which you'll see later on in the video. This video honestly is all over the place. It took me 3 days to film, so that explains the multiple outfit changes. So I do apologize for that.
What if I'm no good for you? What if you're no good for me? Yeah. Sometimes when I'm reasoning about us, I know you got me, it's so effortless. Back to back we would carry on and we'd do anything for what we started. But this time we could break.
Now that we're done with the shelves, I did quickly want to refill these jars and add those teacups that I mentioned earlier, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to the other side of my kitchen.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose.
I don't know if you guys remember, but in this little area here, I used to have like this open bookshelf that I used to use as a pantry. I have a new cabinet for that, which you'll see later. So I decided to redecorate this area. I'm using this rail that I got from IKEA. It's the very same one that I have over my stove. I'm going to add this towel that I got from McGee & Co. along with this vintage copper pan that I recently picked up. I'm also adding these flowers here. I'm just going to kind of hang them upside down. And I also add a frame that I purchased from Michael's.
Oh, you're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So down here, I'm going to add this stool that I have been eyeing forever, but I just didn't want to pay $50 for it. But I got a gift card from Target for my birthday, so I figured this would be the perfect time to pick it up.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want.
Moving on to my countertops, I have already cleared and wiped everything down, and I'm just going to go ahead and start off by adding these two breadboards that I got from H&M. I love them, you guys. I had originally purchased the small one and I loved it so much that I went back to purchase the bigger version of it. I don't know if they're still available. I will link them either way. You could always sign up for their email notification and just jump on it whenever they come back on in stock. But anyhow, I'm just going to go ahead and finish decorating this little area here.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in the trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us?
I got this really pretty planter from Marshall's and I wanted to create some type of floral arrangement and put it in the center of my little peninsula, but it was a little too big for that little area, so I ended up moving it somewhere else. But I would like to add something in the middle there so that it doesn't look just so boring.
But Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily, I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes.
Here around my stove, I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of things that I purchased from McGee & Co. They were having a sale around the Memorial holiday, so I took advantage. I am going to go ahead and add a wooden tray along with a crock pot and a cute little dish that I plan on adding garlic to.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling.
I decorated everything else off camera just because I didn't want this video to be too long. I already feel that it's long, so I just quickly wanted to show you guys what I did. I moved 2 of my pots here, and on the other side I added those 2 canisters. I am gonna get rid of that lamp. I just needed help moving the refrigerator and I had to wait for the hubby to get home. But we are going to move on to my little cabinet here. This is my new cabinet. Well, it's not new, it's old, but it's new to me. My mom gave it to me. And that is what I'm using now as a pantry. And it worked out perfectly. I'm just going to go ahead and get it decorated. I am adding this tray that I got from McGee & Co. That one I got a while back. And I'm just going to go ahead and get it all decorated. Nothing too fancy. I'm just going to add my coffee machine along with some wooden boards and my coffee mugs.
Outside, and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling.
So for this area of my kitchen, I'm leaving it pretty simple. I'm just adding my toaster along with this olive tree that I purchased a while back. I don't even know where I got it from. I'm thinking maybe Target. And for my sink area, I'm also keeping it simple. I'm adding this soap here along with a cute little dish that I got from Five Below a while back. I normally use this to put like my rings whenever I'm washing dishes, but my daughter gave me a cute little plant that she did at school. So I need a home for it now until I figure out where I'm gonna put it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray?
All right, guys, thank you all so much for being here today and for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye.
When it's gray outside, it really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes.